Hey guys, look what I got. Another package. So this is my Patchwork Parcel for October 2019. I do believe this is my final package. I canceled it last month, but I think I had already paid for October. So I think this is going to be the last unboxing I do for them. I am looking for paper scissors. Aha. All right. Let's dive in and see what we got. If you are interested in joining the Patchwork Parcel Club and you want to sign up, I will put in the description box below all of the information, including the link. All you got to do is pop over and sign up. I believe this is about a $30 or $35 subscription package, so it's relatively affordable. And then you get a pattern and some fabric down inside. All right. Inside our mailer, we get our package in a drawstring envelope. I still think they stole that from Creative Notions. See, Vicki, you guys have great ideas. All right, here we go. Let's open up our drawstring bag. Oh, this one is Christmas themed. Okay, so our little piece of paper, we get a half-size sheet of paper that gives us some information about this month's box. You can check them out at facebook.com/patchworkparcel. The fabric this month is delightful red, green, and white Christmas-themed fabrics to make up this month's fabric bundle from the All the Trimmings collection by Maywood Studios. It is a vintage 1950s, 1960s Christmas scene fabric. Our pattern this month is just a little pattern card. It is called So Charmed. It looks like it is for a table runner. And this is what it would look like on the back. This is the picture of one completed on the front. And it looks like we'll probably have enough fabric to do this. It says we need 20, oh, maybe not, I don't know. We need 29 charm squares, a half yard background, and a third of a yard for binding. And it'll make a 19-inch by 48-inch table runner. Okay. We got 4 cuts of fabric. I don't think I'm using this for those fabrics. Okay. Ooh. Oof. Oof. Had to pull the ribbon off. I didn't want to do that because the ribbon was pretty. All right. Our first fabric is upside down. Our first fabric looks like this. And this is the other side. So it's got a bunch of ladies in like 1950s dresses trimming the tree with some presents. Our second cut of fabric looks like this. And I'm just going to check really quick. I want to see, okay, so there's my salvages. I just want to see how much of a, okay, so there we go. This is a half yard. I'm just going to fold them so that they fit better in my stash. We'll check this one to see how big this one is. And that's my salvage edge there. So we'll just tuck this in. And that is another half yard cut. Oops, wrong way. Our third piece of fabric looks like this. And this appears to be another half yard cut, but we will just kind of measure it in just a second. Yep, that is 18 inches on the dot. There's another half yard cut. So far, all of these are half yard cuts. And then our last one is some non-directional red print with some green candy canes on it. And this is another half yard cut. Yep. Here are my 4 half yard cuts from Maywood Studios in my Patchwork Parcel box this month. I'm not a huge fan of the fabric. I don't think I'm a big Maywood Studios fan, to be honest with you, because I feel like we got Maywood Studios last month, and I wasn't feeling that fabric either. This, I think, is my last Patchwork Parcel package, And I gotta say, I don't feel like the value is really there for me because I feel like I remember this being a $35 cost, but I could be wrong. You can check out their prices over at their website. But that recipe card, that card that we got for a quilt pattern, you can get that for like 99 cents or $1.99 depending on where you live. And this fabric, I feel like you'd spend $12 or $13 at a quilt shop to get it. So 2 yards of fabric at $13 a yard takes you to $26. $26 plus $2 for that recipe quilt card is 28, and I feel like I paid more than that. And I don't know, if I'm gonna spend $28, I'd rather get fabric that I'm in love with. So, or a subscription box that has more hits than misses for me. But if this is the type of fabric that you enjoy, you should definitely check them out. I'll put their link in the description box below. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this month's package, the fabric inside. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys all in the next video.